Thank you, Dr. Haushalter, Mayor Harris. Greetings, fellow citizens of Shelby County. I want to just spend a moment just sort of highlighting some of the key aspects of the health directive. As stated, we've had some complaints about some establishments who were open and operating when they should not have been. The health directive is very clear in stating that the following businesses are not open and should not be operating: bars, limited service restaurants, clubs, beer pubs, wine bars, multi-person bicycling vehicles that serve alcohol or beer. These establishments should not be open. We've had some reports where limited service restaurants were open, some thinking that they could operate. And I just want to remind everyone, when you are in doubt of what you should be doing, what's allowed, I encourage you to visit our website, ShelbyTNHealth.com, and click on the Health Directive link, and it would provide you with the guidance and the requirement that's expected of you. And so, limited service restaurants, you're not open. Full service restaurants, if you are selling more alcohol than food, you're not allowed to operate and be open. In order for full service restaurants to operate, they must sell more than 50% food versus alcohol. Even if you are a full service restaurant, there are safety measures that are required of not only you as a full service restaurant, but all establishments, all businesses and services. For instance, people are still expected to wear their masks or face covering. I was told by one owner of an establishment that he thought that the face mask was required only when they walk into the establishment. No. While you're sitting at your table, conversing, waiting for your meal, you should have on your facial covering or your mask. Once your food comes to your table, you then take it off, eat. After you finish eating, put it back on, and after 2 hours, you should be up and out of the restaurant. That is what the health directive says. The 6 feet separation. We're allowed up to 6 people together at a table, but each person at that table must be 6 feet away from persons at the other table. And so the 6 feet distancing is very important. And there are other safety measures that's in place that's outlined in the health directive that applies to either the individual or all services and businesses, or to some specific businesses and services. So again, I urge you, if you have any questions, if you want to know what you want to do, check out the health directive. Use the health directive as your guidance for going about reopening and operating.